Hey everyone, it's Halloween season and what better way to celebrate than with a homemade pumpkin spice latte. It's super easy, affordable and you can make it in no time. Let's get started. Here is what you all need. This is pumpkin puree, brown sugar, hot water, my milk, 1 glasses. This is for my espresso shot, we'll see later. Some spice, pumpkin spice, 1 little candy. Yes, that's all. The idea here is to make a cheap and quick version of this famous drink, so you don't need anything fancy. We will start by adding a tablespoon of pumpkin puree to our glass, followed by a tablespoon of brown sugar and a pinch of the spice mix. A big pinch. Then, add a little hot water to help dissolve everything. This is going to give our latte that cozy pumpkin flavor with a nice spice kick. I will show you how to make a perfect espresso in the next video. I need to make a transfer, because I need to buy some stuff. We just moved to the USA, so... For the milk, if you have a steam one, use that to flow it. But if you don't, you can shake your milk in a jar to get a similar fluffy texture. The idea is to work with what you've got, no fancy equipment needed. Okay, we are ready to put it all together. First, pour the steamed milk into your glass with the pumpkin spice mix. Then, gently pour in your shot of espresso. The espresso sinks in the beautiful and you get those nice layers. Let's go, don't hesitate. And now for the fun part, the candy. There you go, a homemade pumpkin spice latte that's easy, delicious and way cheaper than going out to buy one. A simple and affordable way to enjoy a pumpkin spice latte at home. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Happy Halloween!